Today in this video I'm gonna explain how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Turn off the device by pressing the buttons combination of the volume down and the power. Connect the mobile data with a PC using a Type-C USB cable. Hold down the volume up plus power keys simultaneously. Release all keys when the recovery mode appears on the screen. Navigate to the wipe data or factory reset section using the volume rocker and confirm by pressing the power button. Select factory data reset from the options. Once reset is complete, choose reboot system now to switch on the smartphone. Note that all your data will be deleted during the entire operation. After the reset is complete, your phone will be returned to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device anew. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.